Alright, so I think this thing probably belonged to a smoker or something, because I tried to clean this and everything is like really stuck to it. Uh, this is an interesting case for sure. There really should be a fan back here. So we have this piece that goes over here, and I cleaned it in the sink. And it's only just funky, like, you can kind of see it there. Like it just didn't want to come off, and I don't know what it is, but I'm not going to spend all day cleaning it. It's like just residue. Honestly think that's what it was from a smoker. So it really should have had a fan in it. Maybe it did. Maybe they removed it. It's hard to say. So you got this thing back here that sits back here, and then all your cables and stuff have to come through here or here. It doesn't seem to sit correctly, does it? There we go. So yeah, really cool looking case. Like I said, kind of hard to clean. A lot of this stuff is really stuck to this thing. So it's got an MSI, an asus, I think it's called Edge. See the big chunky rubber on the bottom, which I kind of don't like because on like a melamine table like this or whatever you want to call this, it really just grips and won't move. So then what happens is you go to move it, it doesn't move, and when you force it to move, you end up ripping this stuff off. So we can't even really see into it where we're sitting, but it lights up all crazy and all this stuff, and there's a fan down there. So there is a fan down here to do something, but you know, there probably should have been one back there. And maybe there was, I don't know. But no CD drive is kind of a deal breaker for me. It means I can't use it for streaming music. Anyway, it is what it is. And it needs a video card to perform as fast as a DDR3 machine.